Natural Resource Canada Crush It Challenge allowed Corem to demonstrate its leadership in mineral processing. The Crush It Challenge aims to encourage the development of technologies to reduce the energy consumed during the comminution of ores. The HPGR project is aiming at replacing ball mills by high-pressure grinding rolls. This could cut energy consumption by 50%. Ball consumption and additional indirect energy consumer would also be eliminated. With the support and contributions of mining companies and equipment manufacturers, Corem and UBC are assessing the potential energy benefits and are exploring circuits and machine design parameters that provide optimal circuit performance.
One of the main challenges on developing this process route is the fact that the first step of grinding is usually conducted wet, either in SAG mills or rod mills. HPGRs, however, usually operate with natural moisture, which demands a dewatering operation between the primary mill and the HPGR. Therefore, our first steps were into two directions: to evaluate the impact of moisture on HPGR feed using a piston die machine. Lab-scale tests were conducted with 2 industrial samples within a range of conditions.
The factors that lead to research success are an experienced team, Corem and UBC facilities, and contribution of equipment suppliers' know-how.
So the preliminary results of our work show that the high-pressure grinding roll can effectively break particles to the size range that we are targeting. So essentially to crush to the same size that a ball mill will generate. And we also observed that the energy usage is much lower than in ball mill grinding. So that supports our concept that we can replace the ball mills with high pressure grinding rolls and have a more efficient process system. The next steps are primarily focused at assessing the effect of moisture on the high pressure grinding roll. We recognize that in a ball mill circuit, when there is size classification, there's going to be water involved with this process. And the high pressure grinding rolls don't like water. So we have to produce a product that feeds the HPGR that has sufficiently low water content that will allow us to use this technology. So our testing is aimed at small-scale piston press tests to look at the effect of moisture, size classification and dewatering tests to see how we could effectively produce a suitable feed for the HPGR, and then validation tests on our pilot scale HPGR to demonstrate that our concept works at a large scale.